Hey guys, welcome to the Ambitious Peasant channel, and I'm here to do a little unboxing of my order at Mr. Porter, potato, I'm not sure what it's called or how to pronounce it, but I'm pretty happy because I was expecting this package to arrive on October 12, and it came in today, October 1, which is like 3 days from the time that I ordered it. So this is just to show you the box, and it's just a plain typical box, nothing special, and yeah, it's just a simple box. So there you have the cereal thingy, and you know what's important is what is inside of this box. I've already opened it and I'm redoing my unboxing for you guys. And let's get into it. So you see that it's covered with a lot of black, like wax paper. Usually most companies use white. So I'm pretty glad because it protects the item inside. And it is a Gucci! Oh my god, it's a Gucci box. So you obviously know that it's gonna be shoes because of the box. Wow, this is heavy. Okay, we got it? Okay. So why don't we take a look at what came with the Gucci box. So we have here an envelope from Mr. Porter says, "Welcome to the world of Mr. Porter." I'm just gonna say Mr. Porter. And it has these cards right here. Pretty cards. Love them. So it has instructions there. And this one showing that you can download the app on iOS and Android, which is pretty cool. Let's just put this back in and take a look at the other documents that came with it. This one is like a certificate, so it says thank you for your order, and it has steps and instructions in case you want to return the item. So you can return it if it doesn't fit your feet, or if it's an item that is not as described. So pretty much if it's a valid reason for return, then they accept it. And this one is the actual invoice for the item. So you'd have proof that you made the purchase via mr.porter.com. And there's nothing else in the box. Okay, so let's just return all of these and put this aside. And let's go back to the Gucci box, which is very exciting. So let's open it, and it has the white wax paper. It also has that serial numbers and barcodes right here, and the size describing the item. And let's open the item. Right away you see the Gucci tags and care manuals.
I think this is a care manual. So it's just your usual items. For this one, it says infrared or informative RFID, I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Let's put that aside. And of course, it comes with their own dust bags. So one for each shoe.
And here's the beauty. Wow, it's so exciting. It's really nice, really well packaged. It's inside a plastic. Wow, look at that. I love the colors. This is suede matched with rubber and leather and stitched leather with color right there. The sole is a little different in terms of the color versus the leather, so you see the difference. And it has this like tongue protector and says remove only after sale. So that's what we are doing right now. So let's check the inside of the shoe. It says Gucci made in Italy. So that's always a good sign. It's made in Italy. That's why I love it. And the first thing we should do is always check if the pairs match each other in terms of the size and length. I'll check this shoe later, and let's see what came with the tags. Oh, there you go. It has an extra shoelace and has that Gucci brand over there. So what I have is the tape measure. We're gonna measure the shoe, the sole of the shoe, so you'd have an idea of the sizing. This is a 5.5 UK, and in inches it is almost 10.5 inches. And you can see there that's the size is 5.5. And I've been watching a lot of videos about the Gucci sizing, and they always say to go a full size down, but I only went half a size down. And I have here my Converse times Comme des Garçons. It's my daily beater. So we're gonna compare the sizes. I don't know if you can read that, but it says there it's a size 6 UK. So my Gucci is a 5.5 UK, and let's compare them sole to sole, and let's see the length. You see? Can you see it's a tad bit smaller? The Gucci is a tad bit smaller. So I'm glad that I just went half a size down instead of a full size down. So let's take this other half out of the plastic and take off these paper and all other thingies. Put these aside. I love them. So there you are, and there you go. These are my Gucci Aces sneakers, brand new from Mr. Porter. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.